less than 1,000 word. Okay, there is no maximum word limit. You can write as many words as you say, but the article which are less than 1,000 will not be submitted. Okay, the website is automatic. If you will click on the button submit, it will not be submitted. Okay. Then what to write in the introduction? We will go one by one. Okay, for example, you have got an article to write an article on Article 12 of the Constitution of India with regard to definition of state. So first of all, in the introduction, you have to define what is the topic. In this example, the topic is definition of Article 12 with regard to definition of state. So you have to first of all explain the topic. Then you have to write the origin of the topic in the introduction itself. For example, present Article 12 was introduced in the draft constitution as Article 7. Okay, then we are coming on the mid part of the article. Introduction, then content. In the content, you will write all the things regarding the article, that is the mid part. But you have to write all the things related to article in the mid part with headings and subheadings. Okay, and you have to make the headings bold like this. See, I am writing article. Okay, now this is my subheading. Okay, or heading. I have to make it bold. So I will simply click on this and click on this bold. Okay, when you will click submit, it will definitely go in the website and be bold. Don't go with this formula. This is for the website only. Okay, and if you want to make it italic, anything you if you are writing any legal magazine and any other thing, then you can make it italic by clicking on this like this. Okay, and if you want to make it anything underline, like you are writing any case laws, try to make case laws not. Please case laws जब भी आप use करे, please make it bold. When you are using case laws, please make it bold. Okay, any other thing you can make it underline, that is if you are finding that is important. You will simply click on this and this is under. Okay, this is the formula. It will be self-applied, but you have to click on the button after selecting the test that you want to apply. Okay. Now mid part. In the mid part, you have to explain the topics. You have to explain the topic with all context, with headings, with subheadings. Okay. And you have to also use the case laws with that. Like what is the judicial developments in the case, what the judge says later, what the judge say in previous judgment. You have to define with all. Okay, like history, you have to explain each and everything, right to life, that we explain. Okay, you have to define all the topics which you got which you are getting while article writing in all the contexts. Okay, like in this example, Article 12, you have to explain authorities, local authority, other judicial development. Okay, on this topic with timeline with relevant case. Then we will go with the conclusion. This here. Okay, conclusion. You have to write here the conclusion. So, conclusion, how will you write the conclusion? When you are writing the conclusion, try to connect the topic with the present stage of the topic. Like what is the stage of Article 12 with regard to definitions of state at present time? What is the context of judgment in this? What is including in the state or what is not in at the present stage? Okay, so you have to connect any topic with the present stage. In that conclusion, you have to write that. I am giving you one tip. While I used to write article and research paper, first of all, try to make a rough structure of the article. Make three headings: introduction, mid part, and conclusion. Then write roughly what you will add in the introduction, then in the mid part, and in the conclusion, what judgments you will enter. So when you will write the article, you will not miss any of the thing. Got it? So, in formatting. You will get to know by this website. Open the Lawminds website, click on the first link, internship, case briefing, format, and checklist. Okay. So I will tell you how will you fill all the details. Okay, title, case name, citation. Now I'm going on the one judgment. It is available in this case briefing format. Okay. See, now what we have to write? We have to write all the details. This is the checklist. I am going through that. You have to write the case name. See, the title is the thing which I will tell you in the last. Okay. You have to write the case name from where the case name is simple. You will get to know about that. Okay. Again, citation. If you are not getting citation, then you have to write this number in the citation. Okay. In the citation space, you have to write this petition number. Okay. Next, court. In the court is a Supreme Court of India. Okay. In every judgment, you will get all the things. Bench. Here. Decided on date. You have to enter and in on which date decided. Here. Case laws. What are the case laws used in the judgment? You have to write that. Okay. If you will read the judgment, you will get to know about that. What it? Now, brief facts of the case. See. See, how will you write the brief facts of the case? So first of all, you will read one to first initial paragraphs of the judgment. In that paragraph, there are brief facts of the case. They are paragraphs before which the arguments of the parties of the advocate started. Let me go through the judgment, then you will get to know. Okay, see, if you go through, see, if you scroll, you will get everything. आप scroll करोगे आपको सब मिलेगा. Okay. Now I'm going through the judgment. See, according to the respondent, you will get to know that here are the arguments started and above, and the paragraphs above that are brief facts of the case. Now you have to read these paragraphs and write them in point wise and in simple language so that a layman can understand. Okay. See, don't take this internship for granted. This is for learning. This will help you in your future growth also. When you go in court, you have to just simply refer the case by case briefing. So you should know how to do case briefs, right? Then argument raised by petitioner, argument raised by respondent. You have to write that after the brief facts of the case, this comes. Okay. Issue, you have to write. Held is the last part, and ratio and title, I will teach you how to write ratio and title. See. When you read the first brief facts of the case, you know what is here, what is in the case. You get to know. Then go to the last part of the judgment. See, when I do the case breaking, what I do, I open two tabs. One of in which when I open brief facts, and in other I go to the last part of the judgment. So I get to know what is in this judgment. Okay. So first of all, read the facts of the case. Then go to the last part of the judgment to know what is held in this case, what is in this case. Okay. Now, you have to also read the parts of the judgment in which judge statement are stated. It is above the held part. If you go directly to the last part of the judgment, see, the court has to translate the, see, the way the court, it is the statement of the court. Okay. This court. This is the case laws which are used. This is the argument. So if you go to the last part and above the held part, there are the statements of the judges. Okay. See, if you scroll down the judgment, it is very simple to get to know about what are the facts which we have to write. Okay. Then, how to write ratio? See, you have to read the last part of the judgment, what is held in the judgment. Okay, then you have to see the statement laid down by the judge and arguments laid down by the advocates. Okay, what is not contradicting with the held is ratio. See, मान लो आप you take for example the petition is disposed of. Okay, now you will see the arguments by the petitioner and arguments by the respondent. You have to pick that arguments that are in favor of the held part, that are in favor of the petitioner disposed of. But what is held? The petitioner is petition is disposed. We have taken that example. You have to take that arguments from both of the advocates and that statement of the judges in which the judges are favoring the disposition of petition. Okay, आप जब भी रेशियो लिखोगे आप पहले हेल्ड वाले पार्ट पे जाके देखोगे कि क्या है उसमें. ओके, जो कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट अगर मान लो पेटिशनर डिस्पोज्ड हो गई है, ठीक है, और फिर आपको देखना है जो आर्ग्यूमेंट है एडवोकेट के हैं और रिस्पोंडेंट एडवोकेट्स के दोनों के, उसमें से कौन से आर्ग्यूमेंट फेवर कर रहे हैं हेल्ड को. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट, फेवर कर रहे हैं, पेटिशनर डिस्पोज हो रही है उसको फेवर कर रहे हैं, कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट नहीं कर रहे. जो कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट कर रहे हैं वो रेशियो नहीं होंगे, जो फेवर कर रहे हैं वो ही रेशियो होंगे. और फिर जज की स्टेटमेंट जो हेल्ड पार्ट को फेवर कर रही है वही रेशियो होगा. अगर आप लिखोगे ना तो आपको समझ आएगा. मैंने अभी आपको ये बहुत ही सिंपल फॉर्मूला है, आप जब जजमेंट पूरी पढ़ लोगे, ठीक है, उसके बाद आप लिखोगे, आप सारे पार्ट लिख देना पहले. ओके, उस रेशियो एंड द टाइटल आर द थिंग विच यू हैव टू राइट इन द एंड. ओके, लीव देम ब्लैंक टिल दैट. उनको खाली छोड़ दो, उनको आप लिख ही नहीं सकते हो जब तक. पहले आप सारे पॉइंट्स लिख दो, उसके बाद रेशियो और टाइटल लिखो. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? फिर आप लिख पाओगे. और इस फॉर्मूले को एक बार पढ़ लेना, जब आप पूरी जजमेंट के अदर पार्ट्स लिख लो फिर आपको रेशियो लिखना है, आपको पता है मुझे रेशियो लिखना है, फिर आप इस फॉर्मूले को पढ़ लो. यू विल सिंपली राइट दैट. नाउ आई एम कमिंग टू द टाइटल. सी, द टाइटल शुड बी इन अ लेमैन लैंग्वेज. उसको आपको इतनी लेमैन लैंग्वेज में लिखना है कि किसी भी इंसान को समझ आ जाए कि उस जजमेंट में है क्या. Okay, what is in this case? You don't have to write direct section name and you don't have to use legal words. Okay, you simply write so that if any person comes and any audience come and they read, they simply get to know about what is in this case. And don't write the title initial, you can't write. First of all, you have to fill all the blanks, then you can only the title. See, if you go through this title, you will definitely get to know about what is in the case. This is the landmark case which provides for the validity. See, यहाँ पे conclusion भी दे दिया क्या है जजमेंट का, कंक्लूजन भी दे दिया ना. सी, अगर आप टाइटल लिख रहे हो तो आपको उसको कंक्लूसिव वे में लिखना है, ऐसा नहीं ऑडियंस के पास छोड़ दिया. अगर यहाँ पे इसमें ये प्रेरणा जो इंटर्न थी वो ये लिख देती, दिस इज द लैंडमार्क केस विच प्रोवाइड्स फॉर द which provides that the online arbitration agreement can be valid or not. So वो क्या हो जाता, वो एक कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट कर देता. हो सकता है नहीं कर हो सकता. आपको जब भी टाइटल लिख रहे हो तो यू हैव टू राइट इट इन कंक्लूसिव मैनर. ओके, कि वहीं से समझ आ जाए कि वैलिड हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है, वहीं से चीजें समझ आ जाए. सी, फॉर द वैलिडिटी ऑफ द ऑनलाइन अब उसने बताया वैलिडिटी है किसकी, ऑनलाइन arbitration agreement कैसा, which constituted through emails and by the representative of the parties, not physically signed but acknowledged through emails. ये केस एक ऐसे आर्बिट्रेशन एग्रीमेंट को वैलिडिटी दे रहा है जो ईमेल से कॉन्स्टिट्यूट हुआ है, फिजिकली साइन नहीं हुआ है. सी, कितना सिंपल है. तो आपको टाइटल इसी तरीके से लिखना है. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? सो अगर आप केस ब्रीफ लिखना चाहते हो तो पहले आप ये केस ब्रीफिंग फॉर्मेट पढ़ो, इस जजमेंट के साथ पढ़ो, आपको सब चीजें समझ आ जाएंगी. ओके, नाउ ऑल दिस पॉइंट्स आर क्लियर. नाउ And when you are writing the issues should be always in question mark. You can't write issues without question. Issues should be a questions. Now we are coming on the video submission. See, your video should not be less than 4 minutes. If your video, you are submitting video of less than 4 minutes, it will be definitely be rejected. Showing face is non-mandatory, but if you show your face, it is up to you, and you get popular with your videos because your name is also mentioned in videos. Let me show you. When you go on the Lawminds YouTube channel, every video with intern name is mentioned here. These are videos of Lawminds, not of interns. So here are not mentioned. These are of interns. If you click, you will get to by Muskan. Okay. So on every video, your name is written. Any video you click. Amrita. Okay. So this is your identity. Now, when you are making video, please explain if you're showing the PPT only and not your face, and if you're also showing your face, you have to explain the topic. See, if any audience come, if any of the person come, they don't want you to read the slides. If you're reading the slides simply, no one wants to see that video. And if you're doing so, that video will be rejected. You have to explain the PPT also. You can't simply read the PPT in the video. Okay. Now how to submit the video task. Same save submit button. Okay. You have to first of all upload the video on Google Drive. How to upload the video on Google Drive? Link is on our YouTube channel. You can get to through that by going on the Lawman's YouTube channel. Then click on the playlist. Then click on this orientation steps to upload video on Lawman.